the non-believers all screaming. Need something fast to outrun the demons. Nothing come between the boy and his freedom. What good are rights when y'all don't even read them? It's the reason that we living in the mosh pit. You the ones plotting, constant on that op shit. I watched it, breaking down the door like a locksmith. Said I don't belong at the top, that's preposterous. Y'all want smoke, that dual exhaust, I got this. Hands to the heavens, praying on my pock shit. Yeah, we just let the numbers do the talking. Only God can judge me, I hope he's still watching. Memories haunt me everywhere I go. Heaven and hell, you know that I see both. Yeah, I've been here before, I've been here before. Thought I lost the vibe, you been missing foreign. Enemies want me, y'all to die slow. Pray for the downfall, knees will get sore. Yeah, I've been here before, I've been here before. The legend never die, you get reborn. The legend never die, you get reborn. Never die, you get reborn. We all got reasons. If the show stop, it's right back this evening. Know that I be all the way up but still dreaming. 1 foot in the deep end, you ain't been where we been. Memories haunt me everywhere I go. Heaven and hell, you know that I see both. Yeah, I've been here before, I've been here before. Thought I lost the vibe, you been missing foreign. Enemies want me, y'all to die slow. Pray for the downfall, knees will get sore. Yeah, I've been here before, I've been here before. The legend never die, you get reborn.